we really apologize for the delay in the session, but this topic of the session is leveraging social media in education, and I hand it over to Mr. Sharma.
It's working fine. So now I'm the teacher. After all these deliberations, I'm the one who's supposed to implement it, or I'm the patient who was being operated since morning on the operation table maybe. I'm a faculty, I'm the teacher who's supposed to teach. 2009-10, I made my blog. I felt that my students should have a blog because I don't know how to use a blog. So let somebody force me to learn. So I made these 4 young gentlemen who have got this EdTechReview. Their classes were being made to, I said, make blogs, nothing else. Open a blog, don't post anything. They did. They passed out, another batch came next semester. Make a blog, post the same assignment that you submit as a printout, because my university will ask that where's the proof, the evidence, the traditional, conventional educational system. So assignment went to the blog. Next semester, the class blogs for every class. Next semester, YouTube presentations, I call them digital presentations, communication skills. You can check it out on YouTube. I don't have a presentation. Now I'm the one who's the presentation, and the screen is the presenter for me. Digital presentations, communication skills uploaded on YouTube, where people are presenting as if I'm presenting. At present it goes on YouTube. They recorded their podcast. I'm talking about the last 4 and 5 years. They recorded their podcast. We have some texts. So they recorded it. They attached background music to it. They uploaded on the blog, means they embedded it on the blog. It's there on YouTube. It's on SoundCloud as well. You can search for EduSoMedia podcast, means education through social media podcast. You can Google it. Now, this is one podcast, YouTube presentations. All the classes which are being taught by me at Amity University, being the faculty of communication skills, I've got 20 sections, 198 students to be precise. Every single section has got a blog, which is called the class blog. So it has got the podcast embedded in the post, which is being written by the students. I gave them assignment. We call it PBL, the project-based learning. They create a personal learning network. Then I got married, so I had less time. My wife will question why you are sticking to the mobile phone. What I did, I found WhatsApp to be useful. I said, okay, make groups. And every group leader will be in the group on the WhatsApp, and you people are supposed to give me the work progress report. I don't check the work progress report at all. I've got the blog managers to check it. My wife is happy that I don't spend time on the phone. So this is one social media aspect that I used. My students use Google Docs, Google Forms. They do know what is Google that Keep. They know what is YouTube. They know what is podcast. They had been working on the community radio as well in the campus. This is what EduSoMedia for me is. And I can assure you all, those who have stayed back with the teacher, means for me, there's a Russian poet, Brecht. So he said in Hindi, the translated version said that, which I have kept with me for a decade, मैं बड़ी बड़ी शार्कों से लड़ा, shark the means, मैं बड़ी बड़ी शार्कों से लड़ा, बड़े बड़े शेरों को मैंने पछाड़ा, मगर जिन्होंने मुझे हराया वो खटमल थे. So I'm trying to treat those small things. A student says, I'm not comfortable with the YouTube. Okay, fine, opt for another one. I need coffee or tea. They don't have any other option. And I need to be a manipulator, and I'm telling you that I need to be Shakuni or Chanakya, or I need to be a terrorist in a way. Because if people do brainwash to bring them to EduSoMedia, I'm not afraid. And I have been using it, and I'm so happy. Collaborative learning, there's a plagiarism check. If they submit a hard copy to me, I have to type it, and there's no other way. They submit it, I select some text, I post it on Google, it takes me somewhere, and surprisingly, the people who came from first semester, out of a class of 60, now I assume that all the things are against me, I'm alone. I accept one teacher equal to 20 is not possible. I respect it. In my country, it is not possible. The day it will be possible, I'll be happy till the moment I can stop working. So I accept it. Now they came out, the same uncle, the same Mumbai, the same summer vacations. On the blog, I said, when you are coming from the summer vacations, bring an article about your experiences. So I was delighted. We laughed at in the class, rather than giving them a punishment, that the same uncle, same summer vacations, same eatings or same things. I said, okay, fine, it's funny. So we together laughed, and then the number of people who used to that cut, copy, paste decreased. Now, Earlier it was 10% original, 90%, I won't say fake. They did something. They went to a website, they do articles.com, cut, copy, paste. Now this is this. And I really have 10% people who don't work. I'm happy about it. They come, somebody came day before yesterday, said, I make documentaries. And he got the confidence to talk to me just because he's not supposed to come to me for attendance. Because I cater to the needs of connectivity through WhatsApp. So in my cabin, the student who will come will not come for, sir, I need notes. How dare you come to me for notes? My website is there, or these sources are there. The class blog is already there. I cannot teach you anything. You are 20 years of age. Somebody of 20 years of age can teach you. So you talk to your classmates. I'm nobody. I'm a filter. I'm Dronacharya. I can teach Bhim. I can teach Arjun as well. I don't know how to use that weapon. I don't know how to use that weapon. So I'm the one who's doing it. So this means the teacher, and I can tell you one thing, I'm still to find somebody who's like me. I'm the teacher who's alone. I'm the teacher who's being questioned that you're going against policy. Okay, fine, I follow the policies. You want some assignments? Okay, dear, bring a hard copy, we give it a printout, we'll keep on doing it. And the teachers who are here, the administrators who are here, we need not get afraid of things. The change is supposed to happen. And as we had a software which says these many marks to this, we had some OER, we have got some IoT, we have got all these things. We teachers are not afraid of anything. Industry is creating something and people will feel happy that we are adding something to education. Education doesn't mean anything. It's a transition, it takes place. Parents wanted 93%. Now the same parents have learned that we should not put stress on the mind of the kid because the kid will commit suicide. So now people are getting into good schools. They want some schools with values and ethics. So things are changing by default. And people who are supposed to cater to the market need, they are supposed to come out with, you call it ethical classes. They are supposed to come out with EduSoMedia as well, education through social media. So I give an assignment to you or a request just because I haven't got a presentation. Kindly search EduSoMedia blogs. Kindly search EduSoMedia PowerPoint presentations on SlideShare, AuthorStream. My students have trended on YouTube at certain times. And I told them, I give them certificates on the letterhead of the organization. That doesn't cost me anything. Just a printout on the official computer. And a few signatures, they feel happy about the certificate. They keep on doing it. And we all have got inclusive education. We have got a brotherhood where they teach me. I don't teach them. I'm being taught. I learn, I relearn, and I unlearn as well. So that's what the teacher is doing. So that's it from my side about education through social media. It's bound to happen. Social media, social tool, this everything. The moment I'm talking to you, social media is happening. So I talk to them. I talk to them, they talk to me, and we are in love with each other. So that's about a teacher and a student, and you call it industry as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Parveen sir, for a wonderful session. And I think those who have left the conference have missed a very interesting session. A loss for them. Okay, Mr. Parveen Sharma.